Joining me now is the House Ways and Means Committee Chair, Congressman Jason Smith. Congressman, straightforward question. Will tariff income pay for the tax cuts on no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, no tax on Social Security? Tariff revenue pays for that, does it?
Stuart, we can't do that within the rules of reconciliation on how it works throughout this process, but we will make sure that we pay for no tax on tips, no tax on seniors, no tax on overtime. Those will be paid for by eliminating bad tax policy that currently is in the code, and it'll be taken care of. But unfortunately, because of these rules of reconciliation, you can't use the tariff income that's coming in. However, I believe everyone needs to focus on the complete fiscal health of the nation. All revenues that come into the government, even revenues that the Congressional Budget Office does not allow to be scored. We need to look at the whole fiscal health of the nation, of what's being spent and what's coming in.
Can you guarantee no tax, no new 40% tax bracket on people earning $1 million or more? Can you guarantee that that's off the table?
So let me just say this. I get asked about every tax provision, Stuart, and I continue to say everything is on the table. But let me say this, Stuart, is this will be a pro-growth, pro-job, pro-business, pro-farmer, pro-working family tax bill. Everyone's going to receive a tax cut.
Everyone's going to receive a tax cut.
That's what I said, Stuart. It's a pro-growth, pro-job, pro-family, pro-worker tax bill.
Now, you were in the Big Six meeting with Secretary Bessent. Top leaders of the Republican Party all met with Secretary Bessent. Did you come up with a reliable timetable for getting the big, beautiful bill passed?
We absolutely did. We've been working aggressively under the timetable to try to get it to the president's desk by July 4th. I think that would be a great gift to America to deliver on the president's campaign promises of making sure we're making permanent the existing Trump tax cuts, making sure that no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, tax relief for seniors, everything that the president campaigned on. The American people want that relief, and that is one of the legs of the stool that's so important, along with good trade policy and also regulations.
Do you happen to know if one very significant trade deal, perhaps with India, is about to be released? Can you give us any kind of update on that?
Stuart, I will never get in front of the President of the United States. He's going to have a great agreement to announce, and there's going to be a lot of agreements. There's more than 100 different countries that have come to the table asking for better trade negotiations. I've had 15 countries that have approached me myself just in the last 2 weeks.
Okay, that's progress. Chairman, thanks very much for joining us, sir. We always appreciate it.